Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Brevo. To bank isn't right, complete guide step by step clearly. To withdraw from Brevo, start by logging into your account. Navigate to the dashboard where you can see your account summary. Look for the funds or wallet section on the sidebar. Click on withdraw to initiate the withdrawal process. You may need to verify your identity using two-factor authentication. After verification, you will be presented with withdrawal options. Choose your preferred withdrawal method, such as bank transfer. If you select bank transfer, ensure your bank account details are correctly entered. Double-check the account information to avoid any errors. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw. Review any fees associated with the withdrawal method you selected. Once you confirm the details, click on the Withdraw button. A confirmation message will appear, indicating your request is being processed. You may receive an email notification about the withdrawal status. Most withdrawals take several business days to complete. Monitor your email for updates and check your bank account for the funds. If there are any issues, reach out to Brevo's customer support for assistance. Stay informed about any potential delays due to bank processing times. Be patient as your funds transfer occurs, and avoid initiating multiple withdrawals at once. Following these steps will ensure a smooth withdrawal process from Brevo. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.